Hi everyone, this is Jel from Jel Tarot Guide. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for all signs. Okay, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari sa inyo for this week. Okay, from December 18 to December 24, 2023. Okay, so gamitin natin itong tarot cards natin at alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari sa inyo sa linggong to. Okay. Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading. So, pwedeng sa'yo to, pwede din pong hindi. Okay? And this is a, may resonate sa lahat ng signs. It's either you're a air sign, earth sign, fire sign, and water sign. Okay? Or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na ganitong signs and pwede magkonekta, maging konektado ito sa reading natin ngayon. Okay? So, yan. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood. And yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, take nyo lang kung mag-resonate, okay? So, ano po yung mensahe posibleng mangyari for this person na nanonood ngayon for this coming week, December 18 to December 24, 2023. Okay? Five of Cups in reverse. Okay. So, pwedeng, yun. The Devil. Ang dami naman ito. Five of Cups in reverse. The Devil in reverse. Page of Wands. Oh, wow. King of Cups. The Hermit and Page of, oh, wow. Cups. So, there's a different kind of masculine energy na nandito. Okay, pwedeng you're dealing with a younger one, younger than you, older than you, or pwedeng ikaw yung mas bata or ikaw yung mas matanda. Okay, so there's a page of Five of Cups. Pwedeng ikaw to, or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na as of now medyo mabigat, naiiyak, okay, nalulungkot sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa kanya. Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa love, pwedeng ito ay meron siya connection sa pera, kasi parang nakatingin siya sa parang alahas niya dito, okay? So, pwedeng there's a financial struggles, okay? And, pwedeng nakukulangan. Or kung hindi naman, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa love, and this connection is, or relationship is medyo okay. Medyo toxic, okay? Nakikita nyo, there's the devil, and meron siyang hinahawakan, tinalian sa leeg na isang tao. Okay? So, pwedeng you're in a situation na kung saan nasa isang, pwedeng hindi naman ito relationship, pwede din namang sa about sa family na medyo toxic, okay? Pwede sa trabaho na nakakapagod, toxic environment, okay? And hindi mo alam kung paano ka makatakas dun, okay? Pero, don't worry kasi there's a Page of Wands. Page of Wands in upright. Nakikita nyo, it's either merong darating sa'yo na tulong, unexpected offer, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw maghanap ka ng, kumbaga mag-research ka. Okay? Try to think out of the box. Okay? Hanapin mo, hanap ka, mag-research ka sa mga bagay, sa mga website, sa mga social media platforms, kung saan ka pwede makapunta, kung saan ka pwede makapag-apply, kung trabaho man to, okay? Or pwedeng, alam mo yun, kumbaga, ito yung gawin mong way for you to step back and gumawa ng plano kung paano alam mo yun, maayos, hindi ka matali pa dito sa kung anumang toxic environment na nandito, okay? Pero kung love man to, I'm talking about trabaho, kung ganun, okay? Maghanap ng trabaho, online job, okay, research or anything. Pero kung love man to, all you have to do is to tell that person na ayaw mo na, hindi ka na masaya, okay, nasasaktan ka, na hindi ka na komportable, anything. Just be honest with that person. It's either tatanggapin niya man o hindi. Tanggapin mo kung ano yung magiging consequence niya, kung ano yung sasabihin niya, as long as walang, alam mo yun, parang physical, alam mo yun, yung parang ayokong sabihin kasi baka magalit si YT dito. So, anything na medyo nakakasakit. Basta walang pisikalan, okay? Basta sabihin mo, be honest with that person. It's either tanggapin niya man o hindi. All you have to do is to prioritize your peace of mind. Kung sino man itong, anumang signs ka man, okay? Take nyo lang po basta mag-resonate. Kung love man to, okay? Pero kung trabaho na hindi ka na masaya, try to look other opportunities. Okay? You don't have to put your peace of mind in stake. Okay? At stake pala. Kumbaga, unahin mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, health is wealth okay? Kailangan mong unahin yung sarili mo, kailangan mong maging masaya para maging masaya din yung trabaho mo, para maging masaya din yung outcome sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa pangaraw-araw, okay? So, pwede makakatanggap ka ng offer or pwede ikaw mismo ang maghanap ng magandang offer and try mong mag-apply doon. Okay? Take nyo lang po, case-to-case basis po tayo dito. It's either, is your situation. I don't know kung bakit ako nagbabakil, okay? Pero tanggapin nyo lang po, basta mag-resonate, okay? King of Cups, in upright. So, kung love man to, there is someone na mabait, napakabait, matured person, emotionally matured, okay? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga nararamdaman mo, naiintindihan niya. Itong taong to is napaka-opposite sa the devil, okay? Kung ano man tong definition ng toxicity, controlling, okay? Manipulation, cheating na the devil card, which is your dealing, meron darating sa'yo na isang masculine energy na calm, okay, mapayapa, understanding, loving, okay, and he or she will handle you with care, okay? So, medyo ano man yun, pero ganun yung pag-aalaga niya sa'yo. And you deserve that kind of person, kung love man to, okay? Pero kung trabaho man, go, pwedeng it's either may etong taong to is mag-o-offer sa'yo ng magandang trabaho or pwedeng as I said kanina, maghanap ka ng trabaho, maghanap ka ng other plan, other offers, and pwedeng makapunta ka sa isang kumpanya, maayos na established na kumpanya, and yung work environment doon is maayos, mapayapa, peaceful, and masaya. Okay? And the Hermit, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na Virgo, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na Capricorn, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, okay? And fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or pwedeng andito sa signs na nandito yung placements mo, okay? Moon, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Or this person is merong ganito mga signs, okay? So, the Hermit, all you have to do is to trust your intuition. You trust yourself, okay? And of course, always yung sinasabi na pray to God. Always pray to God para mabigyan ka niya ng magandang wisdom, magandang kumbaga advices, guidance for you to use para magamit mo sa landas na tatahakin mo, lalo na sa panibagong landas na gusto mong mapuntahan, gusto mong matahak, palayo sa kung ano man yung nandito. Okay? So, trust your intuition, trust yourself, and most of all, trust God, trust His will. Okay? So, always pray to God. And Page of Cups in reverse. Ooh, medyo ano to siya. Oh, okay. So, as I said kanina, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na younger energy or matured older energy or pwedeng ikaw to. So, Page of Cups in reverse. Kitang-kita nyo. Medyo nakakunot yung kilay niya, yung noo niya habang inaamoy niya itong cup na nandito. Okay, so be careful. This card represents something na parang be careful lang. Don't trust easily para hindi ka na mapunta dito. Para hindi ka na matali dito pa. Okay, so before mo i-take, before mong inumin yung kung ano mang i-offer sa'yo, kung trabaho man to, make sure na this is a safe environment. This is a kumbaga peaceful environment. Kung trabaho man to, pwede din sa family member, workplace, friends, okay? Or pwede din sa love. All you have to do is to be careful. Be more careful. Be more vigilant, okay? Para alam mo yon, hindi ka mapunta sa sitwasyon na napagdaanan mo na nag-cause sa'yo ng ganito. Okay, just be more careful lang and try to find another way, okay, kung sa trabaho man to. Pero kung love, as I said kanina, kausapin mo yung taong dinidil mo ngayon na hindi ka na masaya, nasasaktan ka niya, nasasaktan mo siya, okay? And as long as walang sakitan, okay lang, tanggapin yung away, mainit na bangayan, and after that, move on. Okay? Iiyak, okay? And time heal all wounds. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, sa kung ano man yung posibleng mangyari or konektado sa linggong ito, sa mga taong nanonood ngayon. Okay? Pasensya na po kung meron po kayo naririnig ng mga background noises po. Okay? Mga bata naglalaro sa labas. Okay? So, there's a social media. Social media, yes, pwedeng, as I said kanina, pwedeng maganap ka sa online. Pangarap, mataba, okay. Pwedeng chubby, matangos ang ilong. Older, yes, sabi ko kanina, pwedeng there's an older. Letter P, okay. Letter I, photos, okay. And mabait. Social media, pangarap, P and I, older, mataba, matangos ang ilong, mabait, and photos. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading for this week. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sana kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you and God bless!